In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfriend all Facebook friends at once. Maybe you want to unfriend all your Facebook friends, but you are considering the daunting task of removing them individually, and you want to bulk unfriend. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile picture and tap on it. Then on this interface, proceed to tap on this three dot beside C dashboard. Among the bunch of menus, make sure to tap on activity log. This will land you on an interface like this. Continue to scroll down until you locate connections and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down a little until you locate manage friends. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Up and above on this page, continue to tap on filters and then proceed to tap on categories. Make sure to select your friends, and there you are. You have a list of all your Facebook friends. In order for you to remove them, you have the option to tap on this three dots and then continue to tap on unfriend, and that's it. You have successfully seen how to remove all Facebook friends at once. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.